Welcome to a world where artificial intelligence and social intelligence coverage transforming the way we connect, understand, and empathize the one another. Imagine AI that not only recognizes faces but understands emotions, making our interactions more meaningful. Artificial intelligence now analyzes social media data, helping us to gauge public sentiment, detect trends, and respond proactively. Chatbots with social intelligence provide empathetic responses, offering support and companionship when we need it most. Your AI-powered virtual assistant doesn't just assist but anticipates your needs, adapting your emotions and preferences. From mental health support to enhancing customer services, artificial intelligence, social intelligence is changing lives. In this era of social intelligence in AI, the boundaries of human-machine interaction have expanded, fostering a more connected, empathetic, and efficient world. Join us in embracing the future of AI, where social intelligence unlocks new possibilities. Humans learn through experiences, adaptation, and critical thinking, whereas AI learns from vast datasets and repetition. Human creativity results from complex emotions, while AI generates art through pattern recognition. AI raises ethical concerns, including privacy, bias, and potential for autonomous decision making. The best results often come from combining human and AI intelligence to complement each other. AI may mimic aspects of human intelligence, but the two are fundamentally different and can coexist to address complex challenges.